Me and my friend. Mali ba yun? Let's settle this for once in our 1-minute grammar lesson with Teacher Rice, where we fix your grammar in 60 seconds. Maraming Pinoy at kahit native speakers ang naguguluhan sa me at I. Now here's the real deal. Pag subject, dapat I. Halimbawa, my friend and I went to the mall. Hindi me and my friend. Kasi yung my friend and I ang subject ng sentence. Pero kapag object ng sentence, dapat me. Halimbawa, she gave the tickets to me and my friend. Hindi, she gave the tickets to I and my friend. Pero eto ang controversial part. Minsan, being too correct sounds awkward. This one, between you and I. Parang tama naman, di ba? Pero mali. Bakit? Dapat between you and me. Kasi between needs an object. Mali ba ang me? Hindi lagi. Depende sa role niya sa sentence. And that's your 1-minute grammar fix. Follow me for more.